All right, the day I've been waiting for a very long time. It's just that I'm a little scared because I live out in the country and I love going to the mountains. But we're gonna lower this bitch. We got some lowering springs, some Eibach lowering springs, and we're gonna go ahead and lower it. Lower than what it already is, I guess. And it's not that low. Yeah, it is, because I scrape everywhere as it is. But I want this to be tucked. Hopefully we get that tuck. Alright, I got all four wheels off and I'm rotating the tires while I'm at it. So these were the rears, those were the fronts. Now those are going to go in the rear and these are going to be in the fronts. Reason for being is because these are still brand spanking new. The ones in the front are probably like at 40 or 30%. I think it's a little past 50. I have a little gauge for it, but that's besides the point. This one's brand new, so we're gonna throw those in the front while we're at it. Check out this fucking intake though, man. I can't believe how clean that sucker still is, even though the pipe's all freaking dirty. Look at this. It's country life. Well, I have it all up on all fours. I think I'm gonna start with the rear since this will be the easiest ones. The front ones, we gotta take some shit apart. So I'll start with the rears. There's the stocks. Here's the aftermarket ones. You can tell the fat difference on them. Look at all the gap between those. And look at this little tiny gap here and the fat gap. Yeah. And in case we need a camber, I already have a camber kit too. I just don't like to use my camber because I don't like to waste my tires, because those are going on the front now. Makes sense, right? So let's get to it. All right, so we're gonna start with the driver rear first. I'm gonna just loosen up this bolt here, and this should come down, and I should be able to remove the spring. Load a spring, put this bolt back into place, then do the other side. If it were only that easy, huh? And I think while we're at it, we're gonna replace this DNA motoring axle back with the 3-inch God Snow that I have somewhere. I think it's on the other side. Well, the other one came out super easy. Wonder how this one's gonna be. Oh, it's even a different bolt size. Let me grab the right one and see if this one comes off as easy. Sweet. There it is. Alright, so now I'm going to do this camera one here. So I'm going to hold it and use the impact to drive it out. This one's being a little stubborn. There it is. I think I'm going to have to use a jack to put this back on. That I think will make life so much easier. Alright, but there it is. It's pretty much down. This is loose. Just compress this and get it out of the way. Oh man, that's gonna be a little tough. All right, there it is. Now let's try to get that spring off. All right, and there it is. Let's go ahead, put that for comparison. Almost looks the same, but this is gonna give me a drop. It's right here. So let's go ahead and install this one. Let's put this back on. This right in there, and mount the sucker right into place. All right, and there it is. It's into place. Now I'm gonna grab a jack and mount this back into place. This one too. Lift this up and bolt everything back down. All right, there I have my jack, and I'm putting this one already back into place. And then the next one will be this one here. I'm going to secure this real quick. Good. Now let's lift this some more to align this one here. Alright, and there it is. I just got to align it and put this bolt through. Alright, and there it is. I'll go ahead and secure this one down. And I'm just finish them off with a hand tight to make sure they're nice and tight. Sweet. Let's go go ahead and lower this down. And we are set. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Then we'll move up to the front. Alright, so there is the old axle back. Here's the new one. Well, new to me. This one is 2.5. 2.5 piping. This one is 3-inch. All the way out. And we're just going to replace that for now. There's the cat back exhaust, 3-inch. I just got to get that welded. I have my cat already with the flange cut off, ready to weld a 3-bolt flange. That way I can have everything set up just like how I have this exhaust set up, so I could smog it, so everything will just be a bolt on. But for now, we're just going to put this one, give it a little bit of more exhaust flow, even though it's really not that much because it's right at the rear, but something is better than nothing. Damn, I'm not going to be able to do it. Having some clearing issues with the spring. The pipe's way unmatched. I guess I won't be able to put this one. Damn. Alright, there are no more clearance issues. I guess I'll just wait till I fabricate the whole pipe. And let's just do the front springs now. Alright, so I have the front one off. I completely forgot I was making a video. I have my buddy here, Alex, Satisai on Instagram. Follow him. Drives a Fg2 as well. And these are the springs I got from him, actually. He went coilovers. Now I got the leftovers. But he's doing the other side. I have this one off already. We're going to go ahead and compress it and remove it. I'm going to help him with the other side. Let's go ahead and compress that spring. Oh, it's nice and loose already. That's good right there, I think. Yep. Let's go ahead and break that loose and see if it knocks it loose. I didn't have it backwards. Nope. Try again. There it is. It's out. Sweet. Take off the spring. Shit, yeah. Let's uncompress it. Yeah, it's already backwards. Now it's forward. That's crazy, bro. I was always... There's the spring. And we're gonna cut this. It's like right here. And put everything back together. Put the top hat on. What was that?
These are the best springs you can actually get.
Ooh, Eibach springs. Or what are they called? Eibach?
Eibach. And yep. These are the Sportline Reds. They're better than the black ones. Yeah.
Hook up. That one's done. This one's next. Alright, and there they are. Now it's time to slap them on. Alright, this one is done. Now time to do the passenger side. Here we go. And see how low she goes. Don't be scared, bro. Pull that bitch. Oh, she looks good. She looks hella better. She's still going down. But we don't have that fat ass clearance anymore. It looks hella good. You still gotta work that shock down.
I was gonna screen it over.
Man, that looks hella good. It looks hella good. Sheesh. I like it. It looks dope. Now she just needs a wash. Yeah. She's hella dirty. She's a dirty girl. Thanks, Alex. She's dope, man. Came in clutch. Let's go get you paid now. Thank you for watching. please like and subscribe.